Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to create Snapchat account in mobile. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, just follow the step. You are going to be fine. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do if you are using Android phone, just head over to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. I'm going to simply open up my Play Store just like so. So having opened up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to simply click on search from the bottom side right here. Click on that. Then you have to come to the search apps and games. So click on that and type in Snapchat. Then click on search. Then you'll be taken to this particular point. So as at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus have successfully downloaded and used this app. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on install right here. So after a successful download, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. It's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on sign up right here, or better still, you can click on continue with Google. But in this tutorial, I'm still going to simply click on sign up. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on continue. Then click on allow, click on allow, click on allow. Then at this point here, you need to enter your name. Then having entered your name, click on continue. Then here, you need to set your date of birth. So select the month from here, then select the date from here, then choose the year from this side. So after a successful setup everything, click on continue. Then take you right here. Now you will be given an username, but if you don't like the username given to you automatically, simply click on change my username right here. So I will simply click on continue. Then right here, you'll be asked to enter your, then at this point here, you'll be asked to set your account login password. So what I'm going to do is to simply click on here and enter my login password. After you enter your login password, simply click on continue. Then automatically your country is going to be selected from here and the number is going to be embedded from your phone. If you want to change your number, simply click on here and enter a new number. So the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on finish. And a verification code will be sent to your number and everything completes automatically, just like what you see right here. Boom, you are in. Next thing you can do right here, you can simply add a friend into your accounts. So for you to do that, simply click on add friends. So you can select as many as possible friends as the case may be. Create your emoji. Use your camera to instantly create an avatar that look like you. So for now, I'm going to simply skip for now. To use Snapchat, please allow to access your camera. Snapchat cannot take photo and video without your permission. Next thing you need to do is simply click on turn on. At this point here, simply click on while using the app, allow. Then while using the app, allow for the audio also. Then while using then allow Snapchat to access photos and video on this device. So simply click on allow all. And you are done. You can from here go to your profile. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply create Snapchat account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.